Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up a PIN or picture password in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Accounts. Now scroll down and click on Sign In Options. Here you can see the options of PIN. You just have to click on it. Here you will find an option to set your PIN or change your PIN. You just have to click on it, set your PIN and click on OK. And now if you want to set a picture password, now scroll down and click on picture password. Now click on add. Here you have to give your laptop's password. Now you can see here choose picture. You have to click on this. Now select your picture and click on open. If you want to choose this picture, then click on use this picture. Or if you want to change it, then click on choose new picture. Or if you want to cancel it, then click on cancel. So this is how you can set up a PIN or picture password in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.